everyone, I'm back from my short trip to Germany. In this video, I am going to share with you an exciting new ETF that just launched on SGX. This ETF opens up fresh opportunities in emerging Asian markets, and I'll break down what this means for your investment portfolio. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm back from my short trip to Germany. In this video, I am going to share with you an exciting new ETF that just launched on SGX. This ETF opens up fresh opportunities in Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Iggy here, and I've been covering topics such as stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is featured and ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with over 800,000 reads. I've covered over 600 videos and over 280,000 watch hours as of November 2024. My fellow investors, let's dive into the exciting world of ETFs, shall we? I'm thrilled to share with you the latest addition to the Singapore exchange, the Lion China Merchants Emerging Asia Select Index ETF. This new kid on the block brings a fresh perspective to our market, focusing on 4 of the fastest growing Asian economies: India, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. Can you feel the excitement? Now, here's where it gets interesting. The ETF tracks the IEDGE Emerging Asia Select 50 Index, which is essentially a curated collection of the 50 largest and most influential companies across these 4 markets. These economies are booming, with strong economic growth, rising consumer spending, and attracting heaps of foreign investment. Think about it. India's growing middle class, Malaysia's thriving tech sector, Indonesia's vast natural resources, and Thailand's bustling tourism industry. The potential for growth is immense, and this ETF offers a unique way to tap into that potential. By investing in this ETF, you'll be spreading your risk across 50 companies, giving you a diversified portfolio that's poised to ride the wave of emerging Asia's growth story. This launch adds to SGX's thriving ETF Marketplace, which is rapidly becoming a go-to destination for investors. With 47 ETFs and a whopping $12 billion in total assets, SGX is cementing its position as a major player in the ETF space. And it's no wonder ETFs have been gaining popularity in recent years as investors seek simple, cost-effective ways to build their portfolios. After all, who doesn't love the idea of diversifying their investments with just a single trade? It's a trend that's here to stay, and I'm excited to see how this new ETF will contribute to the growth of SGX's ETF Marketplace. This ETF is the result of a powerful partnership between Lion Global Investors and China Merchants Fund Management. It's their first collaborative project, and it's also a milestone for China Merchants Fund, their first cross-listed ETF. And they're not stopping there. They plan to launch a feeder ETF in China by early 2025, which will give investors even more opportunities to tap into the growth potential of emerging Asia. It's a bold move, and I'm excited to see how it will play out. As always, I'll be keeping a close eye on developments and sharing my insights with you, my fellow investors. When we take a closer look at this ETF, it's clear that its focus on emerging Asia is a huge plus. These markets are home to many competitive companies that are poised for growth. And by investing in this ETF, you're spreading your risk across different markets. This diversification is key, especially for investors in Singapore who may be overexposed to the local market. By tapping into the growth potential of these emerging economies, you're giving your portfolio a chance to benefit from the rapid expansion of countries like China, India, and Indonesia. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio beyond Singapore or want exposure to emerging Asian markets without the hassle of picking individual stocks, this ETF offers a convenient solution. It packages the growth potential of 4 dynamic Asian economies into one tradable product, making it easy to add some excitement to your investment portfolio. With emerging Asia accounting for around 30% of global GDP and expected to drive 50% of global growth over the next decade, according to the Asian Development Bank, this ETF provides a straightforward way to tap into that growth. Plus, by investing in an ETF, you're getting the benefits of a diversified portfolio without having to worry about selecting individual winners or managing a complex portfolio of stocks. If you guys enjoyed this video about this new ETF launch, you're going to love my detailed breakdown of active ETFs in my video, Active ETFs, the smarter way to invest. I explain how active ETFs differ from traditional ETFs and why they might be worth considering for your portfolio. Click the link above to learn more about making smarter ETF investment choices. If you guys enjoyed this